Hello guys and welcome back to ML Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the Steam executable error code, and let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is go ahead and make your way over to Steam and then go over to Library. From Library, go over to the whatever game you're having this error code for, right click on it and hit Properties. From Properties, make your way over to those files and then go ahead and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. And once that's done, you can go ahead and exit out of Steam settings. You can launch the video game and the error code should be fixed. Now, the second method you guys can try doing is by opening up Steam, making your way over to Task Manager by either clicking Control, Shift, and Escape at the same time, or just searching it up in the search bar. Anyways, under Processes, you want to look for Steam under Apps. Once you find it, right-click on it and hit End Task. Now, once Steam has been fully closed, you can go ahead and launch it back up, and then the error code, and then you can try launching the game, and the error code should be fixed. And you can always try restarting your PC as well. But once you do all of these methods, you guys are good to go, and that is it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.